Okay, so this one looks a little bit more difficult where we have a bit more writing. So a program is required that inputs the mass, M, of a biscuit in grams and outputs the energy created, E, in joules, when the biscuit is totally destroyed. Einstein gave us his famous equation that enables us to calculate this, which is E, which is joules, equals mc squared. This means that the energy released equals the mass times the speed of light times the speed of light. Energy is in joules. Mass of material being destroyed or converted into energy is in grams. And the speed of light is this number here, 300 million miles per second. I have no idea. And meters per second, miles per second, I have no idea. Anyway, example. Input 20, output this huge number here. Task, complete the function provided so that it outputs this huge number here. It needs to also work for other input values. Do this by providing the code to perform the calculation above. Okay, so let's get another variable. So to calculate energy release, and that energy release is E, which is exactly what we want to do. And what we want to do is energy, return, execute, calculate energy release with mass 20. Basically want to do E equals mc squared. So let's grab our variables. Let's create a variable. We've got mass here. Let's create another variable called C. Let's grab C here. Let's grab mass here. So E equals mc. So m times c times c. And now we want to basically put that into a formula. Okay, so we know that c over here is this number here. So let's do set c to, and let's set it to a number which we know was 300, 123, 123. Hopefully that's right. And then we are going to set our energy. And then we're simply going to times it by these two. So let's go back to maths. Set energy to mass times, let's grab another one of these, mc squared. And that should hopefully work. So all we're doing is taking that maths and putting it into an equation, and that was correct.